Happy Mother's Day, written by real kids about their mums, illustrated by Nicolette Hegyes. I love my mum because she gives me warm hugs. I love cooking with my mum. We make cupcakes with sprinkles. My mummy smells like chocolates and coffee. I love splashing in puddles with my mummy. My mummy is always beautiful, even when she has messy hair in the morning. I love doing crazy dancing with my mum. I love my mum, even when she makes me eat vegetables. My mum is special because she helps others, even when they don't ask for it. I love my mum because she helps tidy my room. I love my mummy so much, but I super love her on Mother's Day. I love my mum because she is the perfect mum for me.